Merging tickets in Freshdesk helps consolidate multiple related tickets into one, streamlining your support process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into Freshdesk. Access your Freshdesk account and navigate to the dashboard. Identify related tickets. Find the tickets you wish to merge. These tickets should be related or duplicate, typically discussing the same issue or coming from the same customer. Open a ticket. Open one of the tickets that you want to keep as the primary ticket. This will be the ticket into which others will be merged. Access the Merge option. In the Open ticket, look for the More Options menu. Click on it and select Merge from the list of options. Select Tickets to merge. A pop-up will appear showing a list of tickets you can merge. Select the additional tickets you want to merge into the primary ticket. Confirm the merge. Review the selected tickets and click Merge to confirm. Freshdesk will combine the selected tickets into the primary ticket, retaining all relevant information and history. Review and update. After merging, review the merged ticket to ensure all information is correctly consolidated. Update the ticket status and notes as needed.